Hello everyone, I am Aditya Tiwari, and in this video I will be presenting to you my project on the domain of IoT and computer vision. The task I've chosen is object detection from an image or an video, but in this case I have done both, that is object detection from an image as well as from a video. So for this project I have used Jupyter Notebook and OpenCV. Also, I would like to say that all the codes and the corresponding data files will be uploaded on GitHub. So getting started with the program, here's the first set of code that I've done for recognition, object detection in an image. I've used import CV, matplotlib, and here I have a list of class labels that are the classes I have been using for this program. There are total 80 classes. As you can see here, there are total 80 classes. Now coming on to the part of reading an image. So for this demo, I have used BMW M8.jpg as in demo image. The program IMG is cv2.imread BMW M8.jpg. It reads the image or the file. Here I've used this command to plot the image. As you can see, when the image is being plotted, it appears to be in an unusual color. This is because when an image isn't plotted, when the image is plotted, it by default appears in BGR format. Now our job is to convert it from BGR format to RGB format. So for that, I have used this command here. So by using this command, you can see the image now appears in its original color. Now for coming on to the detection part. Here I have used the command print class index. So it shows what are the classes it detects or the object that it detects in this image. Here you can see it has written 3. That is, it detects third class, the class 3. That is a car. Here it detects car in this image. The object it detects is car in this image. Now coming on to the output screen for detection, I have used this following command. So now you can see the image appears like this. That is, the car is being highlighted with a rectangular box around it and car written on the top left side. This shows that the program or the software has detected this object as a car in this image. Now this was detecting an single object in this image. Now to test the capabilities of this program, I will be using a much more complex image. That is, I will be using image with a large number of objects. So as you can see, the command is the same. That is, I have just replaced the image file. That is, now I have used a much more complex image file. So here you can see when we imported the image in this program, it has been plotted in an unusual color, that is BGR format. Now, as always, we have to convert it into RGB format, that is in its original color. Here you can see the image being plotted in its original color. Coming on to the detection part, uh, here I have used print class index. You might remember from the previous program where we got 3, that is, it detected only one object, car. Here it detects large number of objects, that is people, bus, and car and all. So here you can see it has detected class 6, class 1, class 3, class 6, and so on. Moving here, class 6 appears to be a bus, class 3 same as before, a car, and class 1 being a person. So this output shows that it has detected these many objects or object classes in this image. Now moving on to the plotting part. So here you can see the image by using this command. This image is plotted with all the objects being highlighted with a rectangular box and a green class written over on the top left side. Here you can see it detects a bus, a second bus, a car, but the word car is been overlapped by the person here. Uh, it has detected per person here and two people here. So it is written person, which but in this case it is being overlapped by each other. Now this is now we are done with an detecting the object in an image section. Now we'll be moving on to detecting an object in an video. So I will be providing the demo video which I'll be using for this program. I will be providing that in this video that is being shared right now. So this is the video as you can see. Now moving on to the coding part. Here you can see the code is same as before. That is, we have used object detection demo. Now you can see instead of IM read, we have used cv2.video capture. So the and instead of IMG, we have used the word frame. So on executing this command, we have got an output like this. That is the video being the video is 18 seconds long. So within that 18 seconds, there are a large number of classes that it has detected in this video. This is the list of all the classes that it has detected. And now let's move on to the output video. As you, as you can see in this video that the people are being detected as objects and they are highlighted individually with a rectangular box with person written over there. Not only people, the cars are highlighted as well as in now you can see the bus is being highlighted with a rectangular box with bus written over it. So this was my presentation of the project that I have done. Thank you for watching.